TWOFIFTYK is a creative agency where we would like to create unique moments for people. If there's one thing that we really want to focus on is creating that goosebump effect for every visitor, for every production crew, everyone who is at an event to have that goosebump moment. That's what really is our drive. In recent work, we've started working on club designs as well. This is a new thing for TWOFIFTYK. We've started working together with MYST Club in Shanghai. They have set up a new venue that they would like us to create their design for. We're right now in Suzhou. We just got here at Club MYST. It's close to Shanghai, like 2-hour drive. And we're about to go in and see how the club looks.
What I love about my job is to create something which has a lot of faces. So with the LED, with the shape of it, LED strips, light fixtures, you can create so many different things. And I think it would be really cool to see like the whole show. So it's not just at the DJ side and a big LED screen behind the DJ, but it's the show is happening all around me. It's happening behind me, on the sides, above me. So you really feel like you're into a different world. You really feel like you're included into the show.
Well, I think our main goal is to get the best visual output. Like you hope the audience will pick it up, that there are multiple worlds. Also in the ceiling, everything is going on, and I hope just they pick it up. Like they really feel you're in different kind of environments and just go on throughout the night.
So far we've been working on testing the whole system, so for video, lights, sound, just to check up everything and see where we're at and what we have to do this week.
It has been an amazing experience to me because I work as a role of translation. Although there's a language barrier between the cultures, but everyone is so responsible, and finally we make it a good show.